John Dare. I used to be discriminated and perceived low due to my personality and social status. I was denied in a scholarship application because of it. A sense of low self-esteem also came because of my family's simple background. My papa is a construction worker and my mama is a janitress. I recall how we could not have any money for my family's basic needs, such as food, rent, electricity, and my tuition. With the help of my relatives, we were able to make it through. With my experience, I decided to do my best in my studies. I excelled in my academics and been part of the college honor roll for 4 semesters. I have been helping my family's basic needs through my God-given talents. The light of Jesus' family has made me shine further because I am accepted as I am. The community has made me realize that if there is one person who loves me unconditionally, it is God. I have greater appreciation of God's gift to me. If God did not bless my parents with opportunities, it was through me that God has given His divine provision. I am now a much better person because I am loved. I respect myself and I have learned to forgive the people who have hurt me. The light of Jesus community has made me feel that the best thing that you can be is to be yourself. I am empowered.